Yeah, people, you know, say real border cat I represent for the YouTube channel. It named Jamrock Radio. Naya Bingi. People, me say, no go over there, go subscribe, like, and share. So, me I say, a whole heap of inspiration over the cause of them man, I teach the youth them the right thing, you see me? Some people, no just check in with Naya Bingi. Remember me telling you, Jamrock Radio. So, me I say?
Yes, Master, once a blessed love. Welcome to the channel again, you know. Peace and blessings. Yeah, man, I hope so everyone do well. Everyone is in the best of themselves and all of them nice things. You see it? So, yeah, massive. Before we go into anything, I just want to say give thanks and much respect to all the people who take the time out for watch the video, watch the videos, watch the whole thing and engage in the comment section same way and give them thoughts and them insight and input and all of that. Every bit of it is fully appreciated and you don't know, I just want to take that time out of yourself. Yeah man, heart of love and give thanks, is it? Yeah man, for every bit of the moment out of your time where you take for watch the videos and you understand, engage on them kind of things. Click the subscription button if you like the content. You understand? And if you feel the energy, you just share it with your friend them same way. You see it, so we can build the platform and we can create a nice little family. So anytime them want to get outside of the chaos where they go on over upon the next side and you want to just tune in and reason with I man, Bingy man. Yeah man, we need Raya Bingy, you see it. So if you want to just chime in and just hold a little reasoning, you understand? All are welcome, you see it? Yeah man, so you don't know. But me I tell you people, you know say, since me start this YouTube thing, I may tell you honest truth, it feel like I say, me I do one course for sociology. See? And me I get to understand more and more the mindset of our community, people in our community. You see more and more me see some things happen. I realize we have this tribal kind of thing about we. See? I don't know if we are one of the most tribal set of people differently still. We community we are talking about differently still. You see, it is like almost like we deal with things by one venom. You understand? We venomous bad differently still as a people. And you just want to watch some of the little controversy what might spew up in the social space. Especially the latest one what we see going with color symmetry in team differently still. See? And the kind of venom what me see the people spew out. The kind of tribalism what me see act out in just, you understand, a misunderstanding or whatever is almost like we are hunt for blood and we can't satisfy until we get blood. See, and it a come from some of the most, you understand, shocking kind of set of people differently still, cause watch you now. You see, I man with that thing say in our community, women used to be the most compassionate of the sex them. See? So women more empathetic and women more compassionate. Because that are the nature of how women DNA build up. Because women are caregivers. See? But me don't know if the internet cause people to get this kind of venomous kind of thing about them where if if we see a misunderstanding or a breakdown between any party and we pick one side, it's almost like we are ride with it till the wagon wheel pop off and we see blood a spill. And all of this are come to texts and comments. But if it a come from the text and the comment, it not just come from your fingers, you know. It a come from your mind. See it? So if all of them kind of venom there come from your mind where we not have no kind of empathy for nobody again. We not show no compassion for nobody again. Anytime one affliction go on between two parties, we must jump on one side and we are say that side there and that side there the right side and that side there the wrong side, that side there work for the devil and that side there the God side. Hey, we are understand the kind of things them what we are feed ourselves into. Just imagine the kind of energy and vibration what we are put out in a them kind of things in a the venomous way where we just want to say them people there total destruction. We don't want to hear nothing from them. From them rise against the righteous are dead them for dead. But watch you now. Are your sister and your brother that you know in the same community that you know. Seeing? And if them things are so prevalent on the internet and you see the mindset of people, you have to go deeper than that right now, you know. Because if we see it like this, and we see the society behave like that, then you know see the correlation between how people think and how people act. Because watch you now, I'm show you a thing. You see, more time you have some thing where you have some people where them grow a certain kind of way and their social culture train them to behave certain kind of way. You understand? Their social experience cause them to behave certain kind of way. And they might take certain things for granted where they might call some group of people out of their name. See? But when time you reason with them now, then tell you say, them name things say them are doing nothing wrong cause I saw them grow. And if you do that and if you act them kind of way there, it went acceptable enough for them circle. So what them calling little term there, them give them little things that some little terms where they call unconscious bias. See? Enough people suffer from unconscious bias where them do some things and things say them are do good, but them are create the atmosphere for something negative, even though them a say them a do something good. See? Because them not really conscious of the direction where them a bring certain things. See? And me understand with them people that will do them kind of things there, you know, because guess what? The people them where they run down the chaos and the cascas and the drama. When one drama come out, them video they come out with some kind of shock value where people just want to run them down. And some of the man them use it as a product, as a commodity, where them sell to the people them. So them things they are rile up people mind. But them unconscious are the outcome of what them are try to do, you know. See? So some of them little things they are unconscious bias. You have one next thing where me understand, say, you see, people who probably are older than Jamaica independence. So you see, if your age older than since Jamaica get independence, chances are, you might be unconsciously tribal. And that will manifest in your thoughts and your action. Is no fault of your own, you know, because of your social culture. A sound when trained. This is how you when operating at them time there. Because Jamaica when seriously political one time and the tribalism, it went real at one point. So enough of them people are elderly people. Enough of them are decent people them. But because of the era where them grew up in, their experience caused them to have certain kind of unconscious tribal behavior. And we spew them things upon the internet. But it go further than that. Because watch you now. We talk one little thing about DNA. You see your DNA? Your DNA coming like your biological software. So we write things in our DNA. See? That's why you see, most time when a woman pregnant, them always tell them say for the first 3 months they must careful of what them observe, what careful of the things them what they look on, and you understand? Cause them time them a download things, them a download information. See? Them a write things in the DNA of the child. What them are creating in them system. See? So you see, if we thoughts of negativity and we think about bloodletting and we think about them kind of way where we just want to come back and then come back where we want a blood we want to shed. We are write them things there in our DNA. And when you see the youth them operate, how you see them operate. Is that by chance? Is that by chance that people operate the kind of way how they operate in a society? The kind of violent way where you see people operate in a society. You think say are just by chance them things there. No, it not happen by chance. See? These are some of the things them what we use to create what we call some unconscious reality. So because we have them kind of venomous vibration in our meditation, them sitting there writing our DNA, and we are breed with each other. So guess what? You just go see people are born with beer venom. Nobody don't have nothing about them where if one conflict come up, no kind of resolution there in the conversation. We don't need, it's almost like the people them don't want no kind of resolution to none of the problem them. We just want the problem to just continue. And because there is a market for the problem, we find say people just package the problem and just sell it. And manufacture the problem same way too. Because some of we around here some problem manufacturer. We are manufacture problem and sell it to people and rile up people. And all of them anger the inside of people. And then people go around and all of them sitting there written in the stones of your mind. See? And from the mind, everything starts from. All creation starts from the mind. Look round on you. Every big old building, every moving machine, everything what you see in front of your face, it starts off with a thought. Your youth them round you. Your wife in front of you. Your husband there beside you. It always starts off with one thought. See? Because the woman then just magically just drop out of the sky and say, I feel woman that. You see her and you start to think about things about her. And then the union they come in and it bear children. See? So all of it you know to play with the power of thoughts. See? And I chew no thoughts. I chew no thinking. On a right on a DNA. Just imagine this. You have some man pan a corner and all them do are just have some little low level conversation. Talk about for bust out skull and people for drop and all kind of different sitting and there no nothing progressive. Just destruction. And then you have one woman who depend on the internet now where just angry with people and this side they are the right side and that side they are the idiot side and that is somebody there for go here and this, that. And them two people they now go join and create some children. What kind of children and the things they are going to come out of the union? And we are do them things and we are take them for granted. And then when a harvest time and we see the seed them what we sow are behave so violent in a society. One of the thinkers them sitting there. And then we want to run around and blame government. And blame artists are sing song and a drive we pitney them crazy. Nah man. we have to take some of our responsibility too. Is it? And people fi start to think positive. You understand? We can't make evil overrun with society. We can't make evil overrun any little thing what we do. We find it too easy to tear down each other. It's too easy if we do it. Even when time the two party were getting into conflict, the person who you would say are the victim in the thing, the victim I tell you say, yo, you hear me? Love it, you know, yeah, man. A peace. But that not good for the product what we the sell. Cause some people where talk say them love people and them kind of sitting there. Them not really genuinely love people, you know. They love what they can get from people. They love the opportunity where some people present to them. They don't really love the individual. They love the idea of the individual. See? Because you see, if they perpetrate the negativity in a society just so that them product can sell, then we do it. And when me say, I saw we create our own reality, some people might have take it for joke. But think on these things, people. You understand? We love negative vibration too much as a people. And we need to reset our mindset. You see? Reset our mindset. You understand? We know so we can't get rid of negative people and negative thoughts. But you see, if we can minimize it and don't create the atmosphere for it, it will serve the greater good for the community. We can't think about some individualistic things and destroy the mindset of our people at the same time. We have to be careful of the seed what we have put out there. See? Because remember say, what we are doing on the internet, you know, our words we are sending out there, our vibrational frequencies we are fling all about in our place. You know. See? So that's why when you listen to a man like Peanut Tread, you laugh. Because of the energy they put out. See? When you listen to some little TikToker like chat stupidness, it just put you upon one low vibration. If you hear some sad story like when time you are listening to the crime vlog them, it just make you feel traumatized. So if you go put out any kind of thing what go fuel hatred, if you go put out anything what go fuel disunity, if you go put out anything what go fuel anger, think about it before you do it. See? No matter how the numbers nice, and no matter how the likes them nice, just think about the things them what we are put out in the atmosphere and we are put out in our people their mind. See? Don't take the freedom what we have for granted, you see? And don't use the same strategy and tactics where they you understand? The controller them use over with people. Because this should be a place where we can use this now to create a freedom. One freedom space this where we can use for, you understand, restore the dignity in our community. That space here one space where we use for draw back with people them together. See? We not for use them space here like how the mainstream media when they use and them use it for control with mind and feed with stupidness and them kind of things. Now we have a free space. Make we do better with the space what we have. See? Because at the same time, me know say people love drama and people want run come a people channel to come get the latest scoop what they happen and something what can just pump the adrenaline and them kind of things. See? But we can't feed too much of them kind of things in a people head. You see? Because as I said, them things it create one next reality what we not like and we might think that we not have nothing to do with it same way. But remember say we are create the atmosphere for it. And remember say we are rile up people and we are give people reasons to be angry. You see? So in the meantime, people now go and bless up there themselves, you know. You understand? As me always say, gratitude is a must, so I always go give thanks. So I go give thanks to life and give thanks to all the things that must sustain life. You understand? Heart I love people. Stay blessed. Take care of their themselves. Take care of their them family. Yeah man. Rastafari.